Hi, sheep. Hi, sheepy girl. Oh, sheep. Wait, don't get that close. I can't get you in the picture. Sheepy. Sheepy sheepster. And there's the Bobarino. Hi, Bobarine. There's the Hobbly Bobbles. Hobbs. Come here, little fella. Hobby. Uh-oh, where's he going now? Diamond. There she is. Hi, baby. Hi, baby Diamond. What you doing? Hi, baby. Diamond. You want a treat? Who wants a treat? Hobbles is waiting for a treat. Who wants a treat? Diamond, go get your baby. Come on, I gotta go. Go get your baby. Go get your baby. Hurry up, go get it. Come on, I have to go bye-byes. You gotta bring your baby and put him in a cage. Go get your baby. Get your baby for the crate. Hurry up. Go ahead, go get the baby. Oh, okay. Diamond, where you going with your baby? Diamond!
I bring it out. I bring it out, Mommy.
Diamond! Where you going?
Where you going?
She's looking for a spot to put her baby down. Aww, look at the little mommy. She just put her baby down. How cute. Diamond! Come here! Come here! Diamond! Hi, cutie! Hi, Diamond. Hey, baby Bop. What you doing out here?
I bring her out here. Bring her out here. Give me that.
Diamond.
I'll bring you.
Give you a little kiss.
Is she cute?
She's a cutie. Diamond. Hi, baby. Hi, baby.
See ya.
Hi.
See ya.
No, Lily, you got to keep an eye on Diamond or put her in the house. She's making a breakaway with her baby.
Diamond.
Bobo. Hi, buddy. Where you going? Hi, good boy. Bo? Where's Diamond? Diamond. There's my little snowbird. Hi, baby. Diamond! Diamond! Come here, baby. Oh, here comes the sheepster. Uh-oh, Sheepy, you came in too fast. We couldn't get you. Sheepy was in stealth mode. Here she goes. Sheep! Come here, Mama. There's my sheepy girl. Ah, and there's Bobo, Sheepy's man. And I see a Hobbly Bobbles. There he is. Hobbles! Who did a stinky? I smell something. Hobby? There he goes. There he goes. Hobbles! Uh-oh, we lost him. There's Fuzzy. Fuzzy girl. There's my little scowl face. Hi, Fuzz. Hi, Diamond. What are you... Oh, look! Do you have little friends here, Diamond? Let's see what your little friends do. What are they doing, Diamond? Who is that? Who is that, Diamond? Oh my! Are they singing and dancing? Diamond! Diamond! Who is that? What's that puppy doing?
Hi, Barry.
What is that puppy doing? Diamond! Uh-oh. What did the puppy do? He's not singing anymore? Oh my, what is that puppy doing? He won't shut up, Diamond! What are you doing? Diamond! What's that crazy puppy doing? Hi, Sheep. You have your beautiful outfit on? Oh, where are you going, Sheepy? Hi, Beau. Beau, say hi. Hey, boo-boo. Look at your new eyeballs. Look at that. Yes, we can see them pretty good. Beau. Beau, look here, buddy. There comes Sheepy. Here's Big Mama. Beau. Come here, buddy. Come here. Hi, Sheepy. Come here. Diamond. There goes Sheepy. Beau. Bobo. Where's Fuzzy? There's Fuzzrat. Fuzzy. Fuzz. Hey, Fuzzy.
Okay, go wipe them off. Go wipe them off. Go ahead, go wipe them off.
Come on, Sheeps, go do the worm.
Come on, Chippy.
Come on, Chippy.
Come here. Come here.
Here she goes. She's doing a worm.
Wipe them off. Wipe your kisses off.
Chippy. Oh, she wants another milk bone. Come on, Sheep.
Your drink.
Come on, let's get you a milk bone. Come on. Here she comes. Here she comes, okay. There's the milk bone jar. All right, here's one for the sheepy girl. Oh, and there she goes.
It's died a cable vision. I waved somebody. Well, this is the. It died a cable vision. You still recording?
Uh-huh.
No, never mind.
It's okay. You can't have any treats, Beau. You just had a couple, buddy. You gotta be at dinner soon. Sheepy, what are you looking for?
Whatever the big guy is.
No, Sheeps. Here, have another milk bone. Sheepy. There she goes. Oh, here comes Chubby. Hi, Diamond. Hi, baby. Oh, you want to get in on the treats? Sheepy, you're a treat hound. And so is Diamond Bobs. Diamond was afraid to run outside. She was afraid to go down the snow tunnel. Aw, what's Big Guy got? He's not sharing. There's Big Guy in his long johns. Wait, I'm gonna zoom in on you. Aw. Here comes Beau. Coming to see what you got.
No.
There they are. Storm of 2010, December 26th. And there's the two munchkins. Snow is about 30 inches high. Here they go. Look at Big Red going. We're running around and jumping. Of course, I go get my video camera and they stop moving. Tons of snow. That's Apollo. Whew, let's put that here. Here it comes. Hi, guys. You having fun?
What?
You having fun? Be careful, it's pretty deep back there. Careful, it's pretty deep. Alright guys, there you go. Boys, you still having fun out there?
Yeah.
Yeah, they were dancing around in the snow yesterday.
Got the jolly ball.
I can't hear you.
Red!
What?
I'm talking to Red. Spirit!
Come on, boys.
Apollo! Apollo! Hi, Spirit. There's my little
I'll have to
boy.
watch
Look
the
at
screen.
how he is. Look, he's just adorable. They're sunning themselves. And there's the toddlers. Attempting to do snow angels.
Who's got the jolly ball? Little Spirit.
Go ahead. He's gonna get the ball again. There it goes. He's gonna pick it up. There you go. Go ahead, Spirit, throw it. There he goes. He's gonna walk it around. Dropped it. Somehow he hears me. Thinks it's breakfast time. Uh-oh. There goes Apollo. He's going to sit and roll. Dopey boy. Rolling and rolling. Oop. And he's up. Spirit in his ball. His flat ball. He knocked all the air out of it. Again, I see. All right, I think I'm running out of film here. There's my baby Spirit. Look at him. So cute. He hears me. Oh, Red just gave Apollo a nudge. He must be doing something that Red don't like. Alright, guys.
My phone's not working, so I can't. Oh, then do that then, Pat. Yeah, and so we get it from there. Yeah.
Kids folder.
Hi, Lil. Oh, there he is. Down. Hi, Rob. Oops. You told me I'm not allowed to talk here. And press it up. Zoom out. Yeah, that would. Okay.
Did you see it? Did you see it?
Yes. Hi, Dad.
can give him some. That's awesome. Sure, we might be doing this for